channel. So I'm here at the Aloft Hotel in Panama, and I can't even give a honest review of it yet because it's nighttime and I can't really tell if I really do like it. But based on what I'm seeing so far, it's really not my cup of tea. Like, it looks totally different from what I saw on the photos, but I'll make it work, seeing that I'm just here for a few days. So let me just give you guys a tour so you can see what it's like. Alright, so this is the standard room. It's a balcony room. So this is the bedroom area, and we have a little desk here and the TV. So it's a bit old-fashioned, honestly. Very old-fashioned. Not liking it at all. So this was a 0 out of 10 for me, guys. The coffee maker was so dirty. When I swiped my finger on it, pure dust. So that was a definite 0 out of 10. Yeah, so this is it so far, and this is the entryway to the balcony. And this is the view of the city, honestly. But I don't know what to do here. I don't know. I'll have to do some research and think, because I thought the bar that they had downstairs was very popping and stuff based on what I saw, but it's very dead. I saw 3 persons at the bar area, and that's not it. That's not it at all. So I'm just gonna have a shower and figure out what's next to do. Good morning, guys. So I'm just stepping out the balcony to show you what the view looks like in the morning, and it's absolutely beautiful. I really love the skyline. Everything about this view is nice on the balcony. So yeah, if you stay at this hotel, choose a balcony room. So I'm about to head on back inside and start getting ready for the day. So here we have a small closet area where you have the iron board, the iron, and rocks. So this is just me in the mirror looking all, yeah. And yeah, moving on to my makeup. So I'm getting ready to get started, and then I'm just applying chapstick first. Then I'm gonna prime my face with the Fenty Beauty primer. I've always been using this since I've had it, but truth be told, it's not the best primer, and it doesn't keep you matte. Like, Fenty Beauty products does get me oily, but I just like it same. I don't know why. I'm applying my eyeshadow using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. So it's my go-to palette, and I just use this for daytime and nighttime. It's very versatile. I mean, if you have this, you're supposed to know by now that it is the best. So I'm just blending the eyeshadow as usual, and yeah, so darker shade on the outer corner, lighter shade on the inner corner, and that's about it. On the lid, lighter shade on the lid, and that's about it. It wasn't you know, a day where I'm going to get too glammed. So yeah, I'm just pulling out my lashes. I do sell eyelashes. So applying the lashes, I do have a video up top there. You can click on the card above where you'll see my video how to apply false lashes. And yeah, this is just about it. Nothing much. Just applying my foundation. So I mixed the 2 foundations because the Nars foundation is a bit too light, and I have to darken it every time I use it. So I darken it with the Maybelline shade in 370, I think that is it. And I just mix those 2 together and apply, and I get a beautiful finish. And then we're gonna go in with our concealer to highlight the highest point of my face. So I will list the shade that I use in the description. So guys, make sure you check out the description bar if you want to know the items that I'm using or the places that I've been in this video, and I will share them with you all. So check out the description bar. And then I'm just highlighting my under eye, and this is a Too Faced concealer. The shade will be in the description as I mentioned, and I'm just blending that out with a foundation brush, and then I'm buffing it in with my other foundation brush, setting with my Sacha Buttercup powder as usual. And I also have a video that I will link up top on the screen here. It is a review of this powder that I did like years ago, and it's really good. And then I'm just gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty powder Shade will be in the description bar again, but I don't remember off my top of my head at the moment, so I'm just buffing in that to blend out the yellow from the powder. This powder though, it's a bit darker than my actual skin tone, and I like it that way because with powdering and foundation you tend to look a little bit lighter, so I like to balance out the tones with this darker powder. And for some reason I thought this powder was actually a mattifying powder, but when I use it alone I get super duper oily, but when I use it with foundation it's not too bad. Alright, so now guys, I'm just gonna bronze a little bit because we're gonna go out in the sun and we want to look like, yeah, we're actually on vacation. So I'm bronzing my face, my nose, adding a little definition to my nose, not a full-on contour because we don't have time for that, and highlighting the inner corners to look a bit awakened and popping and pink. Just applying a little blush on the cheek there, and not too much because yeah, it's not a nighttime situation, it's a daytime thing where you just want to look plush. Anyways, highlighting my face, this we can't do without because we have to glow. That's a must, and this has been a very old highlighter palette that I have. This is a very old highlighter palette that I have, and it does wonders, honestly. So it's one of the best. And then moving on to the lips, I'm just using my eyebrow pencil to line my lips, and then I'm applying my Juvia's Place lipstick. I forgot the shade, will be in the description bar. And then we're lining our eyes with the Inglot 77 gel liner. This I know for sure. So yeah, it will be listed in the description bar as well. So just lining the lash line and the waterline. This is such a tedious process, you can't blink else you will blind yourself. But it is mattifying and it's waterproof, so if you haven't used this before, I highly recommend it. And then I'm gonna use the mascara, Maybelline mascara. This mascara is the only product line from Maybelline that I actually like. I don't like the other mascaras, but this one is the best. It's called the Falsies mascara. And alright, now so the look is coming together and we're just doing the final touches, and this is it.
Hi guys, so I'm about to leave, waiting for my Uber now to go to Cinta Costera, where the Panama sign is. So I'm just packing up my bags to head out and see if I can get a little snippet of the hotel, and it's really pretty. So this is the little what do you call it now, food area. And over there is the red restaurant where they have the buffet line and dining tables and stuff, and this is just like a nice little cafeteria, and I like those things, so I'm just having some fries. And yeah, this is the lobby, it's cute. So over there is the restaurant, and I'm just going down now, going down to the ground floor, and this is the parking lot. I know the OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they close. But I saw someone went in the other night. Looks cool. Yeah. So Viva, blah blah blah. And this is the ground floor. And on the ground floor they have a bar. So this is the bar and lounge area, as you can see. It's that. So it's closed and will be open later. So this is nicely set up, and that's this. So this is nice. So it was raining earlier, as I had mentioned. It was raining earlier. It's not so bad right now. You can see nothing's really happening from this end. So this is the entrance to. So this is just here. Alright, and enter here, and then we go to the casino, and then this is the bar I was showing you guys earlier.
So all in all, it isn't a bad property, it's just a few glitches that kind of, you know, make me tick a bit. But overall it's very pretty and it's very vibrant and fun and spunky, and it really grew on me. But as I mentioned in the initial stage, it wasn't that. But yeah, I do give it like an 8 out of 10, and I will definitely go back there, but hopefully a different room. So catch me in the other video guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. See ya.